So we'd like to sync our custom audiences into Google. Assuming you already connected your Google account with Omniconvert Reveal and you already have audiences built, which you can have a confirmation for by going into the Audience Builder section and scrolling down in the Audiences part. We will now sync actually one of these audiences with Google. We have these best customers top 3 audiences here. And clicking on the arrow, we get to see only one integration is active, and that is for Facebook and Instagram. So to sync this audience into Google for Google Ads, the only thing that you need to do is just enable the audience sync from here. And you have a confirmation that the audience was updated successfully. If you click again on the arrow, besides seeing 2 active integrations in here, you get to see the last sync date. However, it will take 24 to 48 hours, depending on the size of your audience, for you to see these custom profiles in your Google Ads account. After that, this audience will be updated every 3 days. And you will get to see in here the size of the audience last synced and the date when it was last synced. If you forgot who are the customers in this audience, how you built it, you can click on this audience details here and just remind yourself what filters you applied. And in case you didn't connect your Google Ads account yet, you can do so by following the steps in the link that you will find in this video's description. That's it. It's that simple.